Welcome to our comparison of the Comitalk L7C Pro Kit and the newer 16 Pro Max cage. In the world of mobile filmmaking, choosing the right equipment can make all the difference. Today, we will explore two popular options: the gimbal stabilizer designed for TikTokers and YouTubers, and a versatile video rig tailored for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive into their features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs.
When it comes to portability, the Comitalk L7C Pro Kit shines with its lightweight design, weighing only 0.62 pounds, making it easy to carry around for spontaneous shoots. In contrast, the newer 16 Pro Max cage, while offering robust features, weighs 18.8 ounces and has a bulkier structure. This makes it less convenient for on-the-go filming, especially for those who prioritize mobility in their filmmaking. In terms of expandability, the newer 16 Pro Max cage takes the lead with multiple mounting points for accessories, allowing filmmakers to customize their setup with various lenses and filters. The Comitalk L7C Pro Kit, while user-friendly, has limited physical attachments, which may restrict creative options for advanced users looking to enhance their filming capabilities.
Ease of use is another critical factor. The Comitalk L7C Pro Kit is designed for beginners, featuring AI tracking and gesture control that simplifies operation. On the other hand, the newer 16 Pro Max cage requires more setup time and familiarity with its components, which might be daunting for novice filmmakers. Therefore, if you're looking for something straightforward, the Comitalk may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Comitalk L7C Pro Kit and the newer 16 Pro Max cage have their strengths and weaknesses. Your choice should depend on your filming style and priorities. If you value portability and ease of use, the Comitalk is a great option. However, if you need expandability and customization, the newer cage may be the better fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.